Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Wi-Fi. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case. Now do not close the case, open the lid. At the left side we have connection button and you need to press and hold it until the LED light starts blinking red. Firstly it starts blinking white because we entered to prank mode, so don't worry, just keep holding this control. And we have red LED light, so you can release your finger. Then we need to reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget the device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click Pair New Device button at the top if you have this button, because not all Android phones have it. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or you can just go back and return to the Bluetooth, but it doesn't work on iOS 26, only turn off and turn on. But maybe they will fix it, so. Now, tap at your earbuds here, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!